Yo, listen up folks. Get ready for some quick bars. Joker. Breda 076. You know what we do. Easy. 5 AM in the morning, I barely have energy. Still I ball like Young Thug and party like Jay-Z. I feel like this rap shit took over my life. I want to make the best of it, so I might just try this. I remember when I first smoked weed, when I first realized this. I can do anything, it's just a matter of trying. I'm working so hard it feels bizarre. So many uncertainties that I'm trying to spar. Listening to old shitty records make me feel like a star, cause I believe that I can handle this even when it seems dark. And it's getting even harder when nobody likes my rhymes. I think that in my mind I already quit so many times, but I don't like giving up, I don't like giving in. There's no place for weakness in this place we're living in. I just want to be there next to all of the gods and create my own story like the Wizard of Oz. Woo! Peace.